Hello, so how are you? Today in this video I am going to tell you how to create two columns in single cell. There is no direct option available in Excel to create two columns in single cell, but we have different ways to create two columns in single cell. So how can we do this? So let's start. So we have a new worksheet in Excel 2016 and I have already created two columns in one cell, as you can see here. So what is the main process? What is the process to do this type of two columns in a single cell? So let's go. It's there is no direct option available in a cell group section. There is insert, but in insert panel we have no direct option to create two columns in single cell. So we will do this in a different style, in different ways. So let's start. First of all we have to merge two cell in a single cell and select, and in a alignment panel merge and center is available, and click on there. And after that the same process is second one, merge and center. We have merged two column in one single cell. First of all I will write here hi, and here I will write here hello. So what is the next step? Next step is alignment. I have aligned center. Now under it we will also merge two cells in a single cell. So select and merge and center. Yes, we have done it. And now you can drag and here and there, wherever you want to keep your cells and columns. So this is the way where you can create two columns in one single cell. And here we have a long cell under it, and above that we have created two different columns in a single border it. Yes, I have bordered it. Now this is looking so beautiful. And the right side or left side you can enter any data whatever you want to do. So this is the best thing, and this is the best way to create two columns in a single cell. So how did you like it? Please give your feedback and do a comment, and also subscribe our channel for these type of questions and these type of queries. Thank you so much.